Here is an update on the 2008 Mazda 3. Here's the hood after painting it and clear coating it. Here's the driver's side fender. Here's the mirror cover. Looks good. Here's the passenger side fender. It needs wet sanded and buffed still. All of it does. Here's the front bumper cover. Now it's time for it to sit for a bit while I work on another car. I got brakes to work on, do some other things before I can get back to working on the Mazda 3. But it will be going back together very soon. Just a short video of the Mazda 3 after paint. I didn't paint the inside of the hood. As you can tell, I didn't paint it because it's the family member's first car, and he's not going to be selling it, so he don't care about underneath the hood. His funding is low. But yeah, this is just a short video of it before I roll them off to the side and roll them off and pull in another vehicle for repairs. And then I'll get back to the Mazda 3 after these dry for a couple days. But thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. But thank you. Back to working on the Mazda 3. Had a setback. Started putting the fenders on. Radiator has a hole. People that installed it don't know how it happened, but it has a crack in it right there. And it leaks coolant everywhere. I'm gonna attempt to... There's the old radiator right there. I do not believe it actually got physically damaged. I don't see no cracks in it or anything. I think my suspicions is they thought it might have got damaged, but it might not have. I don't know. But I'm going to attempt to put it in to replace the brand new radiator that came with the car. Car's going back together. Fender's back on. I'm still adjusting out gaps and everything. Adjusting gaps. Hood's back on. Gotta adjust gaps and stuff, but I figured I'd try to get some coolant in it before I went any further, and thank God I did, because still got just a little setback because of things. So I will update you again when the car is going back together. I still got to bolt that fender down, do some gap adjustments. But I will update you again on the next portion of this video. Hopefully we got a radiator for it. Paint don't look too bad. The still needs washed and buffed. Wet sanded, buffed, and washed. But this is just a short video of my issues that are going on right now on this Friday after Thanksgiving. Got the original radiator back in the car. Not showing any leaks so far. The old one had a crack in it. Don't know how it happened, or a hole, but it happened. Now we're just heating the car up, the temperature, to make sure we don't have any leaks before we go any further. But the radiator's back in. Thank God I didn't charge the AC, because I would have to drain it back down. I just got the car going again. Check our temperature here. Temperature is still not up, going up yet. Got steering wheel light on. Don't know what that is. I'm gonna look into it. Airbag light's still on because the driver's airbag's missing. I gotta go to the junkyard and find one of those. But yeah, it's just a short video of a little update on radiator leak issue. There was a brand new radiator, had a hole in it, had a crack right there. I think the original owners damaged it when installing it. It's the only thing I could think of right off the bat. But yeah, this is just a little update stating that the car's back running, getting all the air out of the system. There's a power steering pump. I don't know if that's bad or what. I might have to look into that or have them order a new pump. Bottom hose is getting hot, not the top one yet. Not the top heater hose, but the bottom hose is starting to warm up. We'll make sure it gets heat and the fans kick on before we step any further. I'm not going any further until we make sure all this stuff's working. But this is just an update on the 2008 Mazda 3. It was a collision. People said they hit a deer, but I think they don't exactly know what happened, but I think they rear-ended a pickup truck or an SUV or something. They could have hit a deer. Other damage could have been caused before then. But this is just an update before I letting the car run and warm up before I go step any further on the build of it, putting it back together. But thank you for watching. Update on the 2008 Mazda 3. Got it back together. I was out of town, and the hood wasn't done and wasn't bolted down and was not adjusted because I was still doing adjustment. The hood hinge was bent. I told them to leave the car alone. When I was out of town for Thanksgiving, hood was opened up and damaged. There, I asked if that was fine or whatever. I wasn't too happy about it. I was going to re-sand it and repaint it. But family member don't care, so I don't care. It's got a... over here, I need to get the stopper for the hood. This fender, both hood hinges are bent. I think the hood was damaged. And because the car that came from had different color hinges than the rest of the car. The hood was one color, the hinges were a different color. So I think the front end was wrecked on the car. So, but yeah, this is just an update. They're not worried about all the little defects because there's hail damage on it. I am going to get another two new hinges and a hood latch and the stoppers. But this is just an update on this will be probably the last video of the Mazda 3 rebuild. because I'm not too happy about some damage and some things. I did get a steering wheel airbag cover. Junkyards can't sell you airbags, so I just ended up pulling the cover off of it and stuffing the cover over the old airbag cover thing, because of recalls right now. So junkyards are not allowed to sell airbags to the public unless you have a bunch of stupid stuff and stupid EDF, PDF, whatever, because of the of all the airbags get hurting people, which I don't blame them. There's hail dents in the roof. There's rust on both rocker panels. Yeah, there's where the hood got damaged. I'm not too happy about it, but family member is not worried about it. So, because it is his first car, so he works at one big box stores that 90% chance it's going to get hurt in the parking lot anyway. They're going to get door dings, blah, blah, whatever. But this is just an update on it, probably the last video of it. If you like, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Do all that stuff. If you'd like to have me do a review on something, I can do a review. I am going to do a review on this paint gun. This car is dirty now. It's going to get washed, waxed, and buffed, or washed and sanded and buffed. But this, I'm using this new paint gun from Harbor Freight, and I'm not too happy about it. It don't lay down clear like I would like it to, like my $15 purple gun, or $11 purple gun, whatever it was. But if you please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Next video will be on the Ford Taurus. The Taurus is going to look a whole lot better than this car when I'm done. Because that car will be for sale to a family member or one of my real good friends when it's fixed. But please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.